Hey, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are working on a patio along with the grading and installing of sod at this location here. And I just hope you guys enjoy the video. And this is where this project is taking place. We got all of our material here ready to go. You know, we have our Beacon Hill, Holland Stone, Stonegate, our 21A, slag. And we even brought both tractors in today. I did get sent away to go get more brick that was needed, and when I got back, they were already this far along the project.
Got them? Where's the rest of the chip type? This one back? This one? This one came in today.
Now you guys saw that?
Oh, yeah.
We're at the shop.
John.
There's like
See, like, Johnny.
4 block radius.
John. Hey! I'm going to need something. You guys don't ask. Saying, I'm like, that's what we always use. So I have no idea, like, which one do you want, which one do you don't want, especially like this far.
For me, the preference is
Got it.
if one. Like Dan says, you hear what you want to hear.
That's because of Dan. Anything I say, like, only things like only hear what I want to hear. Here, move this here. The both of you.
There was also a driveway extension in the front that we had to do, which was no biggie at all. You know, we got it all dug out and boom, installed just like that. And the back is all done too. I really like these several step patios we do. I think they're some of the nicest ones that we do. But now that that's done, we can finally start grading. All the houses on this new subdivision were all built on sand, which is no problem at all. Sod's still gonna grow. Even if we didn't add any topsoil to this, you'd be surprised the sod would still root to the sand. But of course, adding topsoil is just the better way to go about this. say? And finally, we have our sod.
Got a whole nother house.
Yeah, which one?
You want to park in front of?
I know, but damn, shut up. What,
I find it funny how when we first started this job site with the patio, you saw us in t-shirts and shorts and it was sunny, and now we're all wearing hoodies and it's all cloudy. It just goes to show how like sometimes these projects do take a long time, even though it's rare. But delays do happen, and there's also a lot of other stuff that you guys don't see. For example, we have to wait for the sprinklers to come before we could put any sod down, so now we're on their schedule, and it's just part of the business.
like there's ones that are
Yeah,
this
I
can
see.
obviously lift. That one I was able to get the one that you took off that one.
Yeah, that one.
That area.
Recommend it? Yeah. You bought some for real? Yeah. Here to the echoes, Matt.
I'm gonna brought the ski mask in today.
I guarantee you.
What do you guys think? Pretty good. We left that blank area there because we're putting a hot tub there, but the patio looks good. Really nice. Sod looks great. We're having like a little vegetable garden over here. We're finishing cleaning up the front. Well, everything looks good. Well, that's how everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you liked it, good. If you don't like it, it's fine. Like I said before, I'm okay with that. Just let me know what you think we could have done to make this job even better. And if you enjoyed the video, a like is always appreciated. And if you really like this type of content, subscribe. I try to post bi-weekly, but since it's the off season right now, so I only have what I recorded in the summer, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching, and on to the next job.